we're gonna make these Crispette Squares. Kind of a take on Rice Krispies, but no marshmallows. Shortening is so vintage to me. Salt and nutmeg. 2 eggs. I'm gonna dump that in. I'm not really much of a baker. Kind of smells like pecan pie, but there's walnuts in it, not pecans. Bring over our dish. 25 minutes on 350. You even have an oven from the 1950s. You don't have to have one from the 1950s, but it does help. It smells like a big oatmeal cookie. Gooey, gooey, goo. Mmm. It's like a oatmeal cookie pie, but with no oatmeal. I would highly recommend this dessert, maybe with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.